Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video, we'll be showing you guys how to draw cartoonears part 1. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so we go and create this simple shape right here for this ear. So you can see right here how we curve it. Now we go and head below here and go and just follow the same shape above. But the only difference, we go and add some details right here to the inside, so just this curve going around. Alright, awesome. Next we go and move on to doing the third ear, which will be the same process. So the same shape, we just go and add on to what we did. So you could see the curve on the inside. Then we go and draw another curve. And it kind of look like a pointed triangle. And also, if you look closely, you could kind of see it look like the letter J, if that helps. Okay guys, so we finished with this set of ears. So now we're moving on to the last batch. And for these last sets, the only difference will be the shape. So you can see we're creating more of an oval. And for our second ear part of this set, we're going to do the same shape from above and add the same detail from the left. Alright, awesome. And for our last ear, we'll be using the same method. And with that, we completed all the ears for part 1. So to be continued, you know, like them animes and stuff. But with that being said, we hope you learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.